Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kirana Devaninda with student ID 241093105. We'll present the material of Operational Research 1 about linear programming. The first one, basic concept of linear programming and integer linear programming. For linear programming, it's a mathematical optimization method for determining decision variable values that maximize or minimize a linear objective function subject to linear constraint. Main characteristic of linear programming, the first one is proportionality, second one additivity, the third one divisibility, and the last one certainty. Linear programming is typically used for production planning, distribution, scheduling, and allocation of limited resource. The second one is integer linear programming. Integer linear programming is an extension of linear programming where sum of all decision variables are constrained to be integer. Integer linear programming is used when the variables represent the number of people, vehicle, project, and others, or fractional values are not practically meaningful. The difference with linear programming, the solution can be fractional, and the integer linear programming solution must be integer. Component in linear programming, one, a decision variable, a symbol representing a decision to be made, for example, x1, x2, ... xn. Second one, objective function, linear function to be maximized or minimized, with the form max or minimize z equal to c1x1 plus c2x2 ... cn xn. The third one is constraint, a linear limitation for restriction on the decision variable, with the form ai1x1 plus ai2x2 ... ainxn less than equal to bi. And the last one is non-negativity constraint, linear limitation so that the variable value is not negative, xj bigger than equal than 0. The standard form of linear programming, in here, the standard form of linear programming for the simplex method is in the form maximum z equal to sum of cjxj subject to sum of aijxj equal to bi, with the I is 1, 2, ... m, with the xj is bigger and equal than 0. With the note, all constraints are in the form of equation, all bi bigger than and equal to 0. The select variable are added to change the less than equal to equal. Solution in linear programming. There are 4 solutions in linear programming. The first one is feasible solution, satisfy all the constraint and non-negativity condition. Second one, optimal solution, a feasible solution that yields the best possible objective value, can be maximum or minimum. The third one, infeasible solution. No feasible solution exists because the constraints are contradictory. And the last one is unbounded solution. The objective can be improved indefinitely without violating any constraint, meaning no finite optimal solution exists. The types of integer programming. There are 3 types of integer programming. The first one is pure integer programming. All decision variables are required to be integer. The second, mixed integer programming. Some variables are required to be integer, while others may take fractional values. And the last one, binary integer programming, a special case when the integer variable are restricted to 0 or 1, typically used for the yes or no decision. For the example, the Winter Glasgow has 3 plans and plans to launch 2 new products, an aluminum frame glass door and a wood frame window. The objective is to determine the optimal weekly production rate in batch fractional allowed. To maximal total profit subject to limited production hour available in each plant, data on available hour per use batch, and profit per batch were collected, leading to a classic module mix classic product mix linear programming model. Let us show in the table. For the product 1, require plan 1, for and 3, plan 3. For the product 2, require 2 plan 2 and 2 plan 3. For the profit of the product is $3,000 and $5,000. With the available production time, for plan 1 is 4, plan 2 is 12, plan 3 is 18. The formulation as linear programming problem. For the x1 is number of product 1, x2 is number of product 2, and z is total profit of the product 1 and product 2. X1 and X3 are the decision variable for the model. Using the bottom row of table, we obtain Z is equal to 3x1 plus 5x2. To summarize in mathematical language of linear programming, the problem is to choose value of x1 and x2 with the optimum value is maximize z at 3x1 plus 5x2. Subject to the restriction or the constraint, x1 is less than or equal to 4, 2x2 is less than or equal 12, 3x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal 18. With the non-negativity constraint is x1 and x2 bigger than or equal to 0. For the solution using graphical solution, the shaded area value of x1 and x2 allowed by x1 and x2 bigger than or equal to 0 and x1 less than or equal to 4. We finished the graphical model and we determine the feasible region. The final step is to pick out the points in this feasible region that maximize the value of z equal to 3x1 plus 5x2. There are 6 points that created by the region 0.0, 0.6, 4.0, 2.6, and 4.3. Then we substitute the value of maximum z into the points, so it will be for the 0.0, we substitute into 3 times 0 plus 5 times 0 equal to 0. We calculate all the points and we got the maximum value on point 2.6 where the maximum value is 36. So the optimal solution is z equal to 36 with x1 and x2 is 2.6. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you and sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.